Greetings children. Today we are going to start a new unit, that is time. This is unit number 11 of your book. So children, first of all, what is time? Time is very important in our life. Imagine if there is no time, then we won't have been doing most of our work in a right order, like sleeping, waking up, brushing our teeth, eating, etc. etc. So, the most important instrument to measure time is a clock. Tan tan! This is a clock. You must have seen this clock. Now look here. This clock has three hands. Hour hand, minute hand and second hand. But in this chapter, we will study about only two hands. That is hour hand and minute hand. The short hand, this one, is called hour hand. And this long hand is called minute hand. Now, the face of the clock has 12 equal divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now, these numbers represent hours. There are 5 small divisions between two consecutive numbers. So, a dial has 60 small divisions and these small divisions are called minutes. Now children, let's know our time. Now look here, if the minute hand is at 12, then the time is exact, that is o'clock. And when minute hand reaches to 1, then the time is 5 minutes past. And when the minute hand reaches to 2, then it is called 10 minutes past. Past means time has passed, gone. Fine. So, when the minute hand reaches 3, the time is quarter past. Quarter means 15 minutes past. Okay. Now, then 20 minutes past, then 25, then half past. Half is 30 minutes. Clear? Now, next is 35 past. We can also say it 25 to. Here 2 means to the next hour. So 35 minutes has passed but 25 minutes to the next hour. So the half clock we use as a past and this half part we use for 2. Now 22. Quarter to. Quarter means 15 minutes. 10 to, then 5 to, then o'clock. Now let's learn how to draw a clock. So you can use your bangle or bottle cap, anything to make a circle in your notebook. I'm using this bowl for that. So first of all, you will put this bowl wherever you want to draw a clock. After making this circle, what you will do, on the very top center, you will put a small mark. Here also, just here, okay? Here, the center and here in the center. Now what you will do, here you will write 12, 3, 6, then exactly in the center, you will write 9. Clear? Now you will put marks or 2 marks between these two numbers. 2 marks with equal distance. Okay, now you will write the numbers. 1, 2, 3 is already there. 4, 5, 6 is there. 7, 8, 9 is there. 10, 11. Okay. Now, in the center of 9, 3, 12 and 6, we'll put a short dot. So, in this way, you can draw your clock. And now, children, let's learn to draw the minute hand and hour hand of these clocks with the time mentioned here. Okay. And we will write the time in words as well. So, it is 3. Now, let's draw both the hands. First of all, we will draw minute hand, then we will draw hour hand. Minute hand is at 00, we always start with 12, that is 0, 0. 12 means 0, 0. And 1 means here time, minutes, 5 minutes. Here 10 minutes passed. Here 15 minutes passed. As we have learned earlier, here 20 minutes passed. Here 25. Here half past. Huh? Then time is 2. 25 to 22, quarter to, 10 to, 5 to, and then o'clock. Fine. Now this 0, 0 means o'clock. Now let's first of all let us draw the hands. So as I told you that first of all we will draw minute hand, and minute hand is long hand. So we will draw from the center to 12. We'll draw a long hand. Okay, this is minute hand. And now we have to draw hour hand. That is 3. Now hour hand is small in size. So we will draw a small hand. Now this clock is showing time 3 o'clock. Now let's write in word as well. Time represent 3 o'clock. Fine. Now let's move to B part. Second part. 3:15. So 15 means minute hand will be at 3. Now let's draw minute hand first. So let's take ruler and make a long hand, that is minute hand, which will be at 3. Fine. Now we will draw hour hand. Hour hand is also at 3, but we will not draw it at 3 because our hand is also continuously moving. So it will move little bit forward. Fine. So we will draw minute hand, which is small in size and which is little bit forward. So this is 3:15. Okay. Now 3:15 means 15 means we can say it quarter as well. As I told you earlier, 15 means quarter. Fine. So you can write 15 minutes past 3, or 15 minutes means quarter. Quarter. Don't forget to write R here. Quarter past 3. Okay. Now let's move to third part. Third is 3:30. 30 means this. Half is called 30 minutes. Here 30 minutes past. Okay. So first of all we have to draw minute hand. So minute hand will be at 30. Here it is 30. 30 means 6. So we will draw a long hand which will be at 6. Then here it is 3. Now minute hand is at 6. So it means half time has passed. So the needle will not be at, the hour hand will not be at 3. It will be between 3 and 4. Exactly in the center. And it will be short in size. So this is 3:30. Okay, we can write 30 minutes past 3. Or we can say half past 3. Now let's do part 4. Here we have to draw needles of minute hand and hour hand with this time. Time is 3:45. 45 minutes means the minute hand will be at 9. Okay, now let's draw it. This is not in the center. Now let's make it in the center. Now let's make a minute hand which is longer in size. This is minute hand which is at 9. Fine. And our hand is at 3. 3 means between 3 and 4. And it is 45. So it means it has half past पे तो देखो it was between 3 and 4. 3 और 4 के बीच में थी needle. अब वो minute hand 9 पे चली गई है. 45 minutes pass हो चुके हैं. It means it will come closer to 4. Fine. So now we will draw our hand between 3 and 4 but nearer to 4. Fine. Not exactly at 4, but nearer to 4. Clear? Now let's write in words as well. 3:45 means 45 minutes past 3. Or you can say 15 minutes. देखो 45 minutes has passed and 5, 10, 15. 15 minutes are left to the next star. And what is the next star? What is the next star of 3? 4. So 15 minutes to 4. And 15 minutes we call it quarter. Quarter. Quarter to 4. So dear students, I hope you have learned to read the time and also you have learned to draw the hands of the clock. Thank you children.